First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it's still making some noise outside, although we're not seeing a lot of severe weather here in southern Kentucky. Nothing that's reaching severe limits. We're not quite out of the woods yet until that cold front comes barreling through the area later this morning, and that will put an end to the heavy rains and the threat of severe weather. We just got to give this thing a few more hours. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, and you can see the stronger thunderstorms now moving up out of the Nashville area. In fact, that's where the most lightning and the greatest threat of severe weather is going on at this hour. And we're going to have to watch these thunderstorms as they continue their track off to the north and east. Lebanon, Hartsville, Gallatin, getting some pretty good downpours, and you can see the stronger storms there along Interstate 40 as you head from Lebanon over to Carthage and Cookeville. Those will be moving through Hartsville, Lafayette, and then eventually making their way into Monroe County, into Tompkinsville, probably into Burkesville, into Cumberland County as the morning continues. And it's those counties off around the Lake Cumberland area that's under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock this morning. You see that up there with the our live alert or live wire ticker up in the upper right-hand corner. We'll keep that running because there are flood advisories, a few flood warnings. There's a wind advisory. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on this morning. But really, the main threats that we're looking at here in southern Kentucky, a lot of heavy rain and maybe just a little bit more severe weather threat. All right, let's show you the temperature trends, and this is something we're going to pay attention to over the weekend because our average high 66, and we've already hit our high today of 68. Now with the cold front coming in, it's going to get cooler, just not cold. 60, 65, 61, 62, you get the idea. For much of next week, it will be trending much cooler than what we've had over the last several days. But by Thursday of next week, we're looking for highs to return back into the 70s. Rainfall has been impressive this morning, almost an inch of rain up in Calhoun, and you guys picked up anywhere from 3 to 5 inches yesterday, so you're getting a lot more. Hartford, almost an inch there. Same for Greenville, almost an inch now in Madisonville, Hopkinsville. This is where the heaviest of the rains have fallen over the last 24 to almost 36 hours now. Right at a half inch of rain just this morning here in Bowling Green. All these numbers since midnight, so everything cancels out at midnight and starts all over again. Campbellsville showing 600s there in Taylor County, but it was raining there pretty much all day yesterday, so that 600s only represents what started at midnight early this morning. Now here's a look at temperatures, and they've been going down from west to east, from the upper 60s to almost 70 degrees this morning, like in Albany and in Burkesville. Your temperatures are about to go down by about 10 to 15 degrees as that colder air comes in with the cold front and the rain. And the rain's coming down from Doppler Cam this morning. Watch out for ponding of water on the roadways. Lots of standing water too, and you know, lots of road spray, as we call it, when you're going up and down the interstate. Slow down, take it easy, low visibility in some cases. 58 the temperature this morning with a west-northwest wind at 3 miles per hour. Some higher gust in the stronger thunderstorms. Pollen count, well, the rain has brought that down into the moderate category, but it is tree pollen. It is April in Kentucky, so mainly trees, oak, juniper, maple, the problems there. Ozone, molds, and UV index all running in the low to good category today. Russellville, our AAA Systems weather cam there on the square in Logan County. You started at 71. You've picked up 65 hundredths of an inch of rain. You're now down to 57 degrees. Oh, Litchfield, all right, you're just in the dark there at the moment. You're picking up some of the heavy rain too. Here's Western's Downing University Center, 58 degrees with a half inch of rain, as we mentioned. Look at the swarm of mostly flooding issues. These are the red shaded counties are flood warnings, and then the green, the flood watches. There's the wind advisory, and here's the severe weather down in Middle Tennessee, which could affect some of our southeastern counties. But there is a back edge to all this, and the front is still back here into western Kentucky. So until the cold front completely moves through the Bowling Green area, we're still going to have that slim severe weather threat, especially in our southeastern counties, but you can see the effect of the colder air now starting to take over. We're 4 degrees cooler than we were yesterday at this hour. Some bigger dips in temperature back to the west. 62, Greenville 61, in Elkton 64, Russellville 63, Morgantown. Powerball jackpot $70 million tomorrow night. Mega Millions $30 million. The front will come on through. Clearing will take place by late this afternoon. Sunny skies tomorrow, but it will be cooler for the weekend. We've hit our high of 68 already. Thunderstorms ending today, then some slow afternoon clearing. Then tonight, mostly clear, colder, 36. Tomorrow, sunny, cool, 60, 65. Sunday, more rain coming back Sunday night, Monday, and into Tuesday. Not looking quite as strong as what we're seeing today.